Welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight I'm tired. I just don't feel like doing a whole lot of cooking. So I'm going to pull jars out of my pantry. And this is a question that I get a lot. I show you how I can things and then it's like, but what do I do with it? There's so many different things you can do with it, but tonight I'm going to show you one. And I am going to show you shredded chicken breast in a ranchera sauce stuffed in an avocado. Easy dinner. It's going to fit our keto diet. It's going to be good tasting and filling, and so if you enjoy seeing more like this, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, but be sure, comment, hit that subscribe bell below and the little bell for notifications so you get all of my videos and you never miss any of these yummy recipes. Now I have a pint jar of my home canned ranchera sauce. This is really good. It's kind of spicy, so if this is not something that you want to do, you could use Rotel tomatoes or Rotel home canned tomatoes. You could use salsa, you could use tomatoes and spice it up yourself. But I'm going to use my home canned ranchera sauce. I've got my home canned chicken breasts that were canned in broth, and I'm going to save that broth. I'll either cook with it or I'll give it to my dogs, and they're going to love me really a lot. So this is so simple. Let's go on over to the stove and I'll show you how to put it together. I'm going to put this on medium-low heat, but when you can chicken breasts chunks, they just, all you have to do is just lightly smash them with a spoon and you have shredded chicken. It's that easy. Now I may not use this whole pint of ranchera sauce because I don't want to make it soupy. I just want to give it that flavor. Probably a little more. And basically that's it. You can add more seasoning, but the seasoning is already in the ranchera sauce. You don't need to add a lot more. All I'm going to do is heat this up, and while I'm heating that up, I'm going to go prepare the vegetables. And you can pretty much do whatever you want here, but I have some avocado. And I'm going to leave them in their skins, but I'm just going to loosen it just like that. It'll make it easier to eat. Again, you don't have to do all of this, but I'm going to make it like a salad. So I'm going to add some tomato. I'm going to add some lettuce. And I'm going to peel a little bit of cucumber and add it. This is something my grandma taught me. Cut off the end of the cucumber and rub it around and around and around. And you'll see a little bit of white foam come off. Sometimes you'll see more than others. This is not quite so much, but there's a little. And according to Grandma, that took the burp out. So I'm going to rinse it off, peel a little bit, and then cut that. And that easy. Now let's go check on the chicken. This has taken about 5 minutes. This really is just quick and easy. So I've cooked this down until there's very little liquid yet left. I don't want it soupy. Now it's this easy. Add a spoonful to the avocado. Now you can add some vegetables on the side. You could put them on top if you want. Add a little cheese. And you can put some sour cream on top also. And you have a quick, easy meal out of a couple of jars out of your pantry. So now let's take a taste of this. So much flavor. The really spicy chicken ranchero. The avocado gives it a coolness along with the sour cream, the vegetables on the side, and you have a quick, easy supper. So again, thank you for watching. God bless, and we'll talk soon.